Hi Capricorns, welcome to my channel. So in today's video we are going to check out your energies for mid-month of July 2021. In this video I'm going to check out your past, present and future energies, and this is a very general reading. It may or may not resonate with all of you, so take what resonates and leave the rest. I'll be looking at your sun, moon, rising and Venus signs. So if one sign does not resonate with you, you can check my other videos as well. Alright, so let's get started with my reading. For my Capricorns, July 2021, mid-July 2021, Capricorns. And if you want to book a personal tarot appointment with me, you can go to my Instagram page by the name The Magical Aura. The link is given in the description box below, so you can DM me over there. Alright, so let's see. Capricorns. Okay, so the obstacle for you in the mid-month is the 10 of Swords, and the overall energy for you is the 5 of Swords. Interesting. All right, so wow. Okay, so with the overall energy, with the obstacle, I feel that with the 10 of Swords, I feel that somewhere you might be, when we are trying to end a situation around us, when we are trying to get rid of a situation, just really we do not want a situation anymore. It can be anything, okay? A situation, a bad situation, a situation in relation with your person. You do not want a fight to go on, to continue, like keep going on. You do not want it, and you want to fight, but it is, the obstacle is there because the 10 of Swords has come up in the obstacle. So it is telling us that when we are trying to end the bad things and we want that our person should start with us a new opportunity, a new life again. Let's start again, okay? Because I really see that you are over here, you really want to start afresh, you really want to start new. So it can be an old job for which you really do not want to keep on working for, and you want to start afresh. The overall energy is the 5 of Swords. Why I am really connecting with these two energies, because this is more for many of you. This is regarding some job, okay? So you might be in a very toxic situation, in a place where you are surrounded by people who are really not good with you, okay? And they are betraying you, they are making games against you, playing games against you. So that is what you are really in that situation, and you are really not feeling very positive right now. So you really want to end that energy, you want to start fresh. That is why, and that is, it has come up in obstacles. So you might be fighting for that situation. So what is hidden? So we have the Strength. So this is some kind of an advice which I am taking out, which is hidden from you. And so the first card is the Strength energy, okay? So with the Strength energy, I really get to know that that inner strength is really required, because for you, for a Capricorn, it is really required for yourself to be very positive and to motivate yourself more and more for any situation you are dealing with. With the 8 of Swords also, I am really getting that energy where you have that energy, you have that positivity in you, but you are somewhere, you are not able to show to people. It's more like because you're not able to show it to yourself, because there's some kind of self there's more lack of self-confidence, lack of self-esteem, which I'm seeing for you. The more strength is needed in you, the personal strength I'm talking about, the more that is needed, the more you are going very low and low around you. Queen of Cups is also, so this is more of an emotional, so you might be emotionally hurt by somebody, and that is why you really want to end the situations. You do not want to keep them going on. For many of you, it can be a bad marriage, and you want to just you want a divorce, or you just want to cut off somebody because the people were really toxic and they were playing games against you. So for many of that, so basically this is an end which you really want. It can be an end which requires a new beginning, and it can be that, okay, so this is like whatever your situation is, take it as it is. All right. So we have one more card. We have the Five of Pentacles as well. So over here, yes, you are feeling very left out in the cold. You are feeling that people are not very positive around you, and you are the one who is actually at the end who left out. Okay, who is left out. All right. So in the past energies, we have Eight of Pentacles, Three of Cups, and Ten of Pentacles. It really seems that you really have worked. Either you have worked on yourself, or you have worked, or you have done some training. When we really work on ourselves or our career, our relationship. So there was a time that you were really happy with somebody you were working with, and whenever a situation comes like some kind of a small fight, you always try to just settle it out. And it used to be because such a positive card, Eight of Pentacles, and in accordance with that we have Three of Cups and Ten of Pentacles as well. So such positive cards are telling me that there was really, therefore, like joyful times. There was some times where you were really happy, you didn't even need anyone. It was like sometimes it was your career, sometimes it was your work or something. For many of you, your career, because as Capricorns, so Pentacles are here, so money is a big thing for you. And till the time the money was coming towards you, till the time you were really enjoying your job, everything was fine around you. But now with the Five of Pentacles, I'm also getting the hidden energy. Somewhere you might be getting a thought that you might be getting money still. For some of you, you might be working really hard for money. There must be like self-employment might be, and this is like some poor timing if we talk about, or for some of you it's like the way you used to work hard, you are working hard right now as well, but you're not getting the returns which you used to get before. So that can be a situation for many of you. It might be in a relationship as well, when you really are happy, when everything is like lovey-dovey situation, and everything is so beautiful, so joyful. You always showed gratitude for everything. So there was a time when you were positive. Let's see your present energies. Knight of Pentacles, Three of Wands, and Page of Wands. I see that, although I won't say that you are very sad, okay, it's more of like the situation, the presence of people is toxic. The people around are very toxic for you. It's like you are telling yourself to be like, okay, you're keeping yourself very motivated. You're always trying to cheer yourself up, and that is why the loyalty, the dedication is in your side. But for the other people, it's like they are not showing any loyalty. They are not showing that thing which you always deserved. You are waiting for people to come towards you to show some positivity, but they are not. They are behaving very immature, and they are very different from the past, I would say. Okay, so in the future energies, we have King of Wands, release, and the Seven of Cups. All right, so with the release, this is a death energy basically of the tarot. Okay, so something is ending, something is coming towards an end. It's more like you are taking charge of a situation. It can be anything. Okay, so towards the future, the ending is coming. Plus I am not sure about the Seven of Cups. We will clarify it. Okay, so let's do the clarification of the reading. Okay, so tell me more about the Ten of Swords. Tell me more about the Ten of Swords, please. Page of Swords, the World, and Three of Pentacles is here. So yeah, you are approaching towards some kind of an ending, because with the World, we are, yes, you are really working on that. You might be going through a divorce process for many of you, and that is why the obstacles are coming in for you in the divorce process. And for many of you it can be some other legal issues you might be suffering. You are already working for that. You for some of you, you are working for your job, your career, and it's really hard for you. Basically the obstacles are here. That is why the Capricorn, for Capricorns, I am really getting that situation where you are struggling a lot and you're not getting the returns now anymore, and you're waiting for the returns. You're waiting for that opportunity to come towards you, but it is not coming. But you are at least applying for the things. You are giving a good 100%. That is what I'm really getting, because you want things to get better soon. Yeah. Okay, so let's see why the Five of Swords is here in the overall energy for my Capricorns. Who is this Five of Swords? Four of Wands, Ten of Swords, and Page of Cups. So this can be somebody who is very sweet from outside, but is like a killer from inside. Might for many of you it might be a family member. Your better half as well. So somewhere, when we really love someone and they show something like some signs of betrayal, some signs of ending situations, ending things, it's more like, what has happened to you? Why are you have changed so differently? You were not this before. What happened to you? So you are really in a little shock for some of you. And yes, there is a change. The people around you, they are toxic, Capricorns, so just be aware. Okay, so let's clarify this Eight of Pentacles in the past energies, please. Tell me more about the Eight of Pentacles, please. Six of Swords, Three of Cups, and Nine of Swords. So I think this can be your friends, your relatives, somebody who, because Three of Cups has come twice in your past energy. So I really feel that, when we try to move on from a situation, see, I'm really getting some happy energies in the past, that you were involved with people, with good people, and they actually helped you to move on from a situation. But there was something in you which was depressing, I would say, or which was you cannot let that thing go. Something was always triggering you. For some of you, you might be into some anxiety levels during nights, although you had a very good time with your friends, everything was fine. But yes, there is a situation in which you are like, something is missing, kind of a thing. You feel, I want to know about this Nine of Swords more. I am not sure why it has come up with all these positive energies. Why this Nine of Swords is here? See, I am really getting some moving on energies in the past with the Six of Swords. But it seems like you were already moving from some toxic situation. For many of you, you have, once you move away from a situation, from a toxic situation, and you have moved on, and that is a very good sign. But all of a sudden you come back to that situation, because why I'm saying this is the Six of Swords is in the past energies, and if you talk about the present energies and in your overall energies, we have the Five of Swords again. So you moved away from that Five of Swords, and then you came back to the Five of Swords. So toxic people coming again in your life. See, it can be two things. Either they can be some new people, okay, some new toxic people, or it can be the same people. So it's your story, so you should be knowing it much better than me. So yes, there's involvement of more toxic people entering your life. So let's clarify. Yes, I was clarifying this Nine of Swords, please. Why? Tell me more about the Nine of Swords. Five of Cups, Page of Pentacles, and Knight of Swords. I think you were the very calm one, the one who was like, okay, I'm patient. At one time you were really patient for that thing. This thing really gave you like a heart attack or heartache, I would say, because the situation you came out from was really hard to accept. Okay, it was like sadness. Okay, crying and sadness was involved, fighting were involved. You came out from a very toxic thing, toxic situation, Capricorns. And to me it feels like you came out nicely. It's like not in a very happy manner, but it is more like, okay, fine, things are happening with me, I am ready to accept these things. Please God, please universe, I am there to accept everything, so just show me. And the universe showed you the best thing. Basically, after that, you came out from that situation and universe helped you to come out. Let's check your present energies now. Very, very toxic energies in the past. I want to know about this Three of Wands in the present energies, please. King of Wands, Queen of Swords, and the Magician. So yeah, you are still at a stage. See, this can be you, this can be your person as well. So some out of you both, one person is trying to connect with the other person. It's like a willingness to connect to the other person, that whatsoever was happening in our lives, let's connect again. But one out of you two, one is more in a very cut form, that no, I am cutting you off. No, not anymore. I'm not going to hurt me. I'm not going to let you hurt me anymore in my life, and I am really manifesting positive things in my life. I am the manifester of my life now. So you are not allowed to let anything happen to me, like whatever you want to happen, or whatever you want, I won't let that happen with me. Something like that only. I you know what I mean. So you are, I really get that this is more of a Capricorn energy, because things have become again toxic, Capricorns, in your life. Somewhere for some of you it can be a job, it can be a relationship, it can be anything, but toxic situation you are going through, but you are not letting this thing let you in your life again, the way it has affected you before. You are not letting them affect you again. Okay, I really want to know, what is this release? Why the death energy is here in the future cards? Tell me more about the death release. Devil, Queen of Pentacles, and Nine of Cups. So yeah, you are going through a very strong process. I would say that, not going through, sorry, you will be going through. This can happen to some people, it might not, because I am really, see, the best part for your future energy is the Devil with the death energy, Devil with the release energy. So you are, this is more like a Devil in reverse if you talk about. So the Devil in release is like you are releasing the toxicity. So that is what is going to happen, my dear Capricorn. See, you are, this is the Queen of Pentacles, Capricorn energies, Nine of Cups, wish fulfillment. So yes, you are going to take a stand of yourself, what I'm seeing in the coming future. Tell me more about the Seven of Cups, please. Why the Seven of Cups is here in the future energies? King of Pentacles, Ace of Cups, and the Hanged Man. I feel that new things, you're releasing the old situations. Whatever the past things are, the past is past, because with the Queen of Pentacles and the King of Pentacles, I got the couple in your future energy. So might be a Taurus, you might be meeting a Taurus, because this is a very strong couple when it comes to finances, when it comes to maturity, okay, when it comes to loyalty as well. So yeah, there is a very mature couple, a new beginning with somebody new. So I don't see any past situations coming up. You might be getting a lot of offers in your job if you are experiencing that thing, because I am really seeing some good things happening for you in the coming future. You might be going through a lot of trauma right now, but no, not in future anymore. Okay, so that is all from my side, my dear Capricorns. I hope that helps, and we are going to meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.